On the earlier video I showed you how to put the chin curtain on, and another question is how to remove the visor. Basically, open the visor in full open position. On the side you'll see this lever here. All you have to do is push it backwards. As you can see, the visor came off. Same on the other side, the same. And you do know that these CS15s have a shatterproof visor, so basically very flexible. You can actually turn these visors inside out. There you go. No damage, no lines, and back to normal. And to put the visor back, just simply in open position again, and just press them into position. And same on the other side, and you're done. Thanks for watching.